Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use iPad's camera. Tips for taking great photos. Photo is the standard mode that you see when you open camera. Use photo mode to take still photos. Swipe the mode selector up or down to choose a different mode such as video, pano, time-lapse, slow-mo, and portrait. First, tap the camera on the home screen or swipe left on the lock screen to open camera in photo mode. Second, tap the shutter button or press either volume button to take photo. To turn the flash on or off on models that support True Tone Flash, tap the thunder icon, then choose Auto, On, or Off. Zoom in or out. On all models, open camera and pinch the screen to zoom in or out. Depending on your model, do either of these video. Tap the 1x on the left side of the screen. Drag the slider on the left side of the screen up or down. Touch and hold the zoom controls on the left side of the screen. Then drag the slider right or left. Next, take a panorama photo. Choose pano mode, then tap the shutter button. Pan slowly in the direction of the arrow, keeping it on the center line. To finish, tap the shutter button again. Tap the arrow to pan in the opposite direction. To pan vertically, rotate iPad to landscape orientation. You can reverse the direction of vertical pan too. And last, take a live photo. A live photo captures what happens just before and after you take your photo, including the audio. Tap this icon to turn live photos on. Yellow is on or off. Tap the shutter button to take the shot. In your albums, live photos are marked with live in the top left corner. You can edit live photos and add effects such as loop and bounce. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.